Hi, my name is David Green with ExpertVillage.com. Previously, we did our rinse of this carpet. Now, one of the things that I didn't mention was that this is our standard stroke. This is what we're going to do, we do as a bare minimum, is rinsing all parts of the carpet at least 4 times. What we would do in addition to this would be if you had a bad spot or a heavier traffic lane, heavier soil traffic lane, we would rinse it even more, as much as needed to get as much improvement as possible. The next step that we take is what we refer to as a dry stroke. Most companies would call it good at this, and actually most companies would not rinse and extract the carpet as much as we just did here, or as thoroughly as we just did here. Where we take it a step further is what we refer to as a dry stroke. A dry stroke is coming back over the carpet that we just did. This time, as you can see, he's released the trigger. He's no longer rinsing the carpet as he's doing this. He's just removing that much more water and moisture from the carpet to get it cleaner as well as drier. Now, this process, like I said, not only gets it cleaner, but as well as, like I said, with getting it drier, it's going to make the dry time increase significantly, which is going to appeal to most customers, and the fact that their carpet is going to be ready to use that much quicker. Our typical dry time is 2 to 4 hours. We could even have it quicker, except we use high pressure to clean deeper on the carpet. And the deeper parts of the fiber will take a little bit longer to dry than the surface of the carpet. And so it's not just about getting the surface as good as possible, it's about truly getting a deep, thorough clean. And so we achieve that through the pressure, through the amount of rinsing we do, as well as the amount of extracting we do.